Alright, we're on this job today with the Mini X. We're going to be filling in this low spot here, and we're going to be bringing in some topsoil to kind of match what's over here and kind of blending it in around the back. And we're going to pull out some posts and some small stumps. So let's get after it. Alright guys, here's the progress so far in the backyard. Got all these flower beds pushed out and pushed over this way. Kind of smooth out the area. It's kind of getting dark, so don't really think it's going to come out if I really film it right now. But gonna put in another half-hour work. Topsoil delivery got delayed till next week, so we're going to be getting back out here next week to finish this up. today. Finally have some time to work on this. Got the wheel horse tractor out here and the AGT L12 Mini X. We got a pile of dirt delivered. I was hoping for more topsoil-y dirt. It's kind of gray compared to the topsoil that's here, but we'll spread it out the best we can and try to get some grass down and growing. I got one dump truck load of dirt, which is 14 yards delivered. Should be enough to kind of level off this whole area, spread it out to meet the gravel drive over that way. So I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod and we'll get going. Alright, now we're back here again today, finishing up this job. This is where we left off. Dug a hole, got some nice topsoil out of it, and stopped last night after I partially filled in the hole. Just a lot of sticks and stuff in here. Don't really want to use it for fill because that's all going to settle. But yeah, I had to get rid of it, so about 2 foot of topsoil in this yard too, which is kind of crazy for just a backyard, but let's get after it, get this wrapped up, and then a couple other little things, and throw some grass seed down. Hey babe, thanks for our coffee. My coffee. Alright, and we're back here like a week later. We've had a big rainstorm, a little bit of runoff going back. You can see this area here kind of left lower, so anything coming off the parking lot here will kind of drain back and not pool up. Got a little bit of grass growth in the back corner over there, but we'll just keep an eye on this. I'll probably grab a little bit of hay or straw and put it on top, because it has been quite dry lately, but now we're gonna get some rain for a little bit, so hopefully these seeds pop up. Thanks for watching.